The features of this model comes with segmented finger blades for box bending, 800mm power back gauge, 2-axis NC controller with 7 inches touchscreen, upper beam adjustment for various thickness bending in perfect sharp angle, bending angle from 0 to 135 degree, and the function for 2-stage angle bar corresponds to multiple reverse bending. This model is equipped with an optional accessory 800mm motorized back gauge with support table, and the controller has bend angle programming for accurate material positioning, angle bending, and fast movement to satisfy users' demands. The touchscreen in 7 inches size, 2-axis NC for controlling the X-axis, which is the back gauge length, and Y-axis, which is the required angle. The controller has 3 main controlling modes: manual, automatic, and program. Manual mode allows users to manually control the back gauge length and bending angle by using touchscreen and joystick. Automatic mode allows users to enter desired numbers to back gauge and angle for the exact position. Program allows users to use program feature to set program for various shape operation. You can store up to 50 programs, and each program can store 45 steps in total. This comprehensive NC system will provide user with stable, easy operation, precise result, and time-saving efficiency. Three bending modes are available: auto mode, auto open mode, and inch mode for bend inspection and maintenance purposes. Auto mode allows you to complete a single bend motion. Auto open mode allows you to run a complete bending cycle. It automatically opens the top beam after complete bending. It is mainly used for production. There are 2 auxiliary devices for bend buffer timer and upper beam open timer. Open timer controls the upper beam's open height. The shorter the timer, the shorter the upper beam open height is. Bend buffer timer slows down the bending leaf's initial speed for small angle. Adjust it in accordance to your required angle. The segmented blade can be taken off, depends on your workpiece. Its purpose is to do box and pen bending. You are able to move around each segment freely. Each segment is quite heavy, so please make sure to be careful of the weight. The lengths of these segments are 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, and 6 inches. You are able to mix these segments with different lengths for various bending combination. VH-1014-6 is just one of the many models that FINTEK provides. We have a comprehensive product line. Please visit our website if you are interested.